Welcome back, guys. Hope you're all having a fantastic week. In this video, I'm going to share with you my top 15 travel items. By the end of this video, you'll see why these items are must-haves for travel. And as the founder and owner of Travel Dolce, I feel like it is my duty to share these top 15 items with you. And I'll even put a PDF of them on my website, traveldolce.com, in the resources section. So let's jump right in. My first travel necessity is a refillable water bottle. And I've really been loving these ones from Swell lately. I love that they're all metal. So there's no BPA worries. I also love that it closes completely, so I can put it in my bag or in the side of my book bag in the little water bottle carrier, and I don't have to worry about it sloshing out. It's not like it just has a little slot drinking hole that the thing covers. It just is completely closed. I don't have to worry about anything spilling, and the metal can keep liquids hot or cold for a really long time, so I love that about this one. They do come in a couple sizes. I usually opt for the bigger one, but for my kids, I'll go for the smaller one, and they seem to really like that. My next travel essential is my AirPods. So I love these. I mean, any headphones will do, but I really do love my AirPods. They hold a charge for a really long time. They fit comfortably in my ears. I love not having a cord tethered to me. Especially if you're traveling by yourself, I think any headphones come in handy. Just remember to download your music, shows, podcasts, ebooks, whatever ahead of time so you can listen while you travel. So my next travel essential is a nice carry-on bag. I like one that's not too big so it will fit under the seat in front of me and I can have access to it during the flight if I'm flying. And this book bag I recently picked up at Target, and I used it on a recent trip to Austin when I flew, and it was super, super handy. On the inside it has this extra little pocket where my MacBook fit very nicely, or any laptop computer would. And then it just has a big open area where you can put anything. It has the side holder for the water bottle, which I really love, and then the little front pocket, just one big pocket in the front too. So that's really handy. Another one that I really like is a tote bag that I recently got on Amazon. It's just a canvas tote, but it has lots of compartments on the inside. So it has one for like a bigger computer or laptop, another little section for like tablets or readers that would come in super handy. And then on the other side, I don't know if you can see, it has a couple little holders here which would be good for a water bottle, and then a couple down here for maybe chargers or whatever. And then it also has this zipper compartment, and the whole thing does zip at the top as well. It even has this little outside pocket, which I think would be good to stick your passport or your license in, your boarding pass if you use a printed one. I think that would be good. And then it does have the luggage strap too to go over your rolling luggage if you use that. So the fourth travel essential for me is anything that will help prevent illness. So I always bring hand sanitizer. This is nothing special, just something from Bath & Body Works. And it smells good, works well. I always bring Kleenexes just in case, and then Clorox wipes because planes and public restrooms and all those places are really germy. So it always comes in handy. I also like to bring wet ones, especially if I'm traveling with the kids, just in case, you know, we get into something sticky as we normally do. So those also come in handy. Some other things, sometimes I'll do like emergency or just make sure I pack my vitamins so we can all stay healthy. So the next travel essential I have is my Start Today journal. I don't know if you can see it. This one says last 90 days. If you're not familiar with a Start Today journal, it's made by Rachel Hollis, the author of Girl Wash Your Face and Girl Stop Apologizing. And I love the journals, the idea behind the journals. Every day you write down 5 pieces of gratitude, so 5 things you're thankful for, and then 10 goals that you want to accomplish and work towards over, you know, whatever period of time. You know, her idea is that goals don't really have a timeline. You just keep working towards them until you achieve them. And then also in the journal, you write down like the one goal that you're going to go after first. So I really like the Start Today journal concept and idea. If you're interested, they sell them over at theholliscode.com, so check it out. My 6th travel essential is this hanging LL Bean toiletry bag. So I've used one of these for years, since I was in college, which seems like a while ago. So I recently got this new green one. I used to have a red one, and they hold up super, super good. I probably didn't really need a new one, but I wanted a fresh color, and they made a couple design enhancements that I'm really excited about. So they have this outside pocket that's really good to put any flat things in. And then it opens up like this, and this is the little hanging mechanism, so you can hang it like on a rod in a closet or a hook in a hotel bathroom. And then they have these top little zipper compartments. And then I love these little bungee things to keep my bottles upright. And then there's another little zipper pocket down here that's super handy to put things in. And then it has these side pockets as well to put kind of, you know, things that you just want to keep separate. Things that you want to keep separate and upright and zipped up. So it's super handy. I love it. And you can get it at llbean.com. My 7th travel essential is this Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. That's really hard to see, but that's what it says. Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. It's super hydrating. You know, airplanes can really dry out your skin. My skin gets super dry, especially in the winter months, so I just love this. And it comes in, I think this little trial size I got on Sephora in like a, I don't know, reward points thing or like a free sample, but they do come in different sizes, and I have a bigger jug of this, and I usually just keep refilling this for travel so I don't have to take the big one with me. But it is super great. It doesn't leave your skin feeling greasy or, you know, kind of slimy like some moisturizers can. It's just perfect. Are you guys liking these travel essentials? If so, let me know. Give me a thumbs up down below. I truly appreciate your interaction on my videos, so any comments, thumbs up, a subscription, that would be great. It helps me out so much, so thank you. My next travel essential is a fuel rod, and this is basically like a battery bank for like cell phones or other devices, because let's face it, when you're traveling all day, your devices need charged. So these are really awesome because you can change them out for a fully charged one at many airports. And this is kind of the official battery bank of Walt Disney World. So if you're going to Disney World, be sure you purchase these ahead of time to save $5, because they'll charge you $5 more for your starter kit inside the park. So if you have these charged up and ready to go before you hit the parks, you'll be all set. They are available at fuel-rod.com. And I'll put all these websites and places that you can get these things in the description box below. They won't be links because I don't have 1,000 subscribers yet or 4,000 hours of watch time, so you'll just have to copy and paste or go to the website. But I'll have at least all the information down there for you guys. My next travel essential is sunglasses, for obvious reasons, especially if you're going someplace sunny. My favorite ones recently are just these Old Navy aviators that I got on sale for like $4, I think, on clearance maybe. But I love these. They're super comfortable and lightweight. And I like to keep them in this little pouch thing that I got on Amazon. It's kind of that lens cleaning material, so it comes in handy when you need to clean your sunglass lens. And then my other favorite pair, which I've had for a little while, they're a little more expensive, but is the Kiehl X Desi Perkins high keys. And I wear these at the lake quite a bit. These are the black fades minis. So these I really love. But regardless of what kind they are, I just always bring a good pair of sunglasses, especially for sunny climates. And these are two I love. Number 10 on the travel essentials list is Advil PM or Benadryl. I've just been recently using Advil PM. You know, it can be kind of hard to sleep in a strange location, at least for me. So I just always bring something at least the first night to help me fall asleep in a strange place, because nothing is worse than going on vacation and then being too tired to do anything. So I always just bring something to help me get a good night's sleep, and it usually works out great. My next travel essential is this little mini steamer. I know this is kind of funny, but does anyone else hate to iron? Like, I absolutely hate it. I use a steamer at home, and I felt like I needed something for travel, so I got this little mini one on Amazon, and so far it's worked great. I love not having to iron, plus who knows what those hotel room irons might do to your clothes. I'm sure most of them are fine, but if they get rusty or, you know, it's just, I'd hate to risk it. I'd much rather come prepared with my own steamer and not have to iron. Number 12 on the list for me is hot tea. So I love to bring just these little single serve packets with me, just in case, you know, you get a scratchy throat or to help you wind down in the evening. Also great with breakfast if you don't like the hotel coffee. And remember, you can get hot water on the airplane. If you saw my air travel tips, you remember that. I'll link it in the cards, whichever side it is. So you can check that out if you haven't already. And yeah, hot tea. I love it. Number 13 on my list is also a food item. It's RX bars, and my favorite ones are the chocolate sea salt, because you don't want a hangry situation to go bad, so I always just try and bring snacks. Plus, it's cheaper to bring snacks along rather than purchase them in an airport, and I feel like RX bars, you know, are probably a little better or more healthier option than what's readily available at the airport anyway. So I always bring a couple in my carry-on and then more in my suitcase to last me throughout the trip. But yeah, chocolate sea salt is the best, and check them out. I'll put the website down below. So my next travel essential is more electronics. So I mentioned my MacBook earlier. I love to travel with that, so I can get some work done, or you know, I can watch movies on it, do whatever I need to. I also never travel without my smartphone, which I'm sure most people don't leave home without theirs either, but it's really handy because most airlines, like if you're flying, they have an app and they can send you push notifications to your phone if your gate changes or your flight gets delayed or anything like that. So it comes in really handy. And then also, if you're traveling by car, the GPS on your phone can come in super handy, especially if you're in a location that you're not familiar with or you don't know where everything's at. Super useful. And number 15, my last travel essential, is a good luggage tag. So I recently got these ones on Amazon, and they're kind of a silicone material, and you can just pull out the little card, write all your information down on it, address, telephone, name and email, and then when you stick it back in here, all that people can see is your name without taking it apart. And then it comes with this little wire thing that untwists, and you can just attach it to your bag that way. I feel like they're really sturdy. I haven't used them a lot yet, but I'm really excited for them. I feel like they're going to be very durable and super useful. Like I said in my air travel tips video, always have your bags labeled and ready to go before you get to the airport. That way you can zoom through the line, drop your luggage, and be all set. So, And that's all I have for today's video. Do you guys have any travel essentials that you'd like to share? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you don't leave home without. And remember to head over to our website at traveldolce.com for that PDF list of my travel essentials. I'll put it in the resources section. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you would subscribe and stay a while. I post a new video every single Thursday at 10 a.m. Central. Thanks for watching today, and I truly appreciate your continued support, so thank you so much if you made it clear to the end, and I'll see you next week. Bye!